Hi guys, I'm back. Sorry, kanina it was cut off, naputol. It just happened. So anyways, yeah, I'm gonna cook this now. Oh, I'm gonna cut the meat first. But I'm almost done here. Cutting the bell peppers. See, this is a beautiful color of a bell pepper. There you go, like that. Have to cut it fast. Are you hungry now, dear?
Yeah.
Okay. So I already have rice cooked. So may kanin na ako, so I don't need to worry about cooking some rice. I cooked some rice yesterday. So it's just a small amount of rice I'm gonna give to my husband because he's diabetic. Alright, now I'm gonna start the meat. First of all, yan ang aking kitchen. So anyways, guys, because my husband is diabetic, I don't really like to use any other kind of cooking oil if possible. So I use olive oil. So extra virgin olive oil. This is what I use to cook. So now that is done, now I'm gonna start cutting the meat because that's the first thing we need to cook the meat. So, right there. It's a good thing I got some meat that I bought last time and I put it in the freezer. So I will, we also wanted to stay away from cholesterol, so the fats we should take it out like that, and this, and next. So cholesterol, we need to cut the fats, and for our safety, for our blood pressure. You don't want to get a high blood pressure, because that's one of gonna be the cause of heart problem in the future. So there. So I'll just gonna cut them into like a little strips too, but not too thin. Like I said, you want the meat also to have good texture of it. So cut it in half. There you go. So I'll just gonna cut them like this for now, like that, and then I'll cut them in two, like this. This is smaller pieces. It's kind of like strips too, but not too thin, but not too thick either. So there. I'm gonna put the oil right now so that I can saute the onion, garlic, and ginger. Let's see. I use my spatula. There. Now I'm gonna put the garlic and onion first because you don't want your garlic to burn. Ayun yung pong what do you call this in Tagalog? Ma-burn yung garlic ba? There. You don't want. So my husband is really hungry. I'm trying to move as fast as I can.
I'm okay.
Yeah, but I know you're hungry. It's already 1:30 in the afternoon and we haven't eaten. Yeah, so, coffee?
Yes, please.
Alright. Alright, let's just do this one right now. And of course I'm gonna take out the fats. You don't want the fats in there. And that's what I love about my husband, because he's very, very patient to me. I'm so proud of him. That's why I love him so much, because of that. His patience is really, really very mahaba, very, very good. Got a long patience, a wide patience. So now I'm gonna put the it's hot now, so I'll put that. So I'm gonna turn on that sauce. So now I turn a little bit the fire. Hinaan ko po yung apoy so that it won't burn. And of course my garlic powder, not garlic powder, my minced garlic. So I get minced garlic. Like I said, I'm gonna use the garlic powder. This garlic powder, onion powder. These are the substitutes for the salt. And of course, we need the black pepper. A small amount of black pepper. That's not. It's Italian seasoning, that's for omelet. And salt-free seasoning. Salt-free. So now let's put the onion. It's starting to and like I said, I'm gonna use a little bit of soy sauce. So I have the soy sauce here. Oops, I didn't even wipe that off on the fridge. But anyways, I got the light soy sauce, less sodium. So konti lang, hindi masyadong maalat because it's a less sodium. So then let's let it cook for now. So, okay guys, I have to finish this because my husband is very hungry. And I will be right back and I'll show you when it's done. When it's cooked and it's prepared. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes or in a little while. Okay guys, see you later guys. Be right back.